yeah, before you become couples, obviously you need to be singles first. And sometimes the joke for SFL, they say single for life, but I hope not. But speaking of singleness, it's very funny that I was requested this song. It's actually a Tagalog song, and I don't speak Tagalog. And I asked my friend to translate it for me, and it's actually a very emotional song that I related to a lot. So if you speak Tagalog, please listen to the words, and I hope you enjoy it. Can you hear the guitar?
Gayintay sa grado sila.
Natatampo, minsan ako mawawala ka sa piling ko sinta. Paano ang Pasko kung hindi lang mo? Sayang sinta ang sinumpaan at pagtitinan tunay. Nais mo bang kalimutan ang aking suyuan at kalan? Sa piling ko sinta, paano ang Pasko, alay ko sa'yo. Sa piling ko sinta, paano ang Pasko, hindi na mo? Sayang sinta ang sinumpaan at pagtitinan tunay. Nais mo bang kalimutan ang ating suyuan at galang?
Okay, thank you.
Mawawala ka sa piling ko sinta, paano ang Pasko?
Ay, kita mo siya. Hindi mo na alam. Yan ba? Ayan yung nasa likod mo. Hindi na, ayan. Yan ba?